So I can say that I am going. Kei te haere atu aho. I'm going. I'm going. But where could I go to? Okay, well, there are 1,000 places that I could go to. I could go to a house, to a whare. I could go to a school, to a kura. I could go to a tree. I guess I could go to a tree, to a rako. I could go to an island, motu, go to a motu. I could go to the toilet, to the wharepaku, or to the shop. I could go to the shop, toa, or to the supermarket, hokomaha. And how might I get there, you might ask? Well, I could just go, I could just haere, I could walk, hikoi, I could run, oma. If I was a bird, if I had wings, I could rere. I could swim, I could kohue, is to swim. I couldn't swim to the supermarket unless there was a flood. If there was a flood, I still couldn't swim to the supermarket. I could take a boat. Anyway, that's beside the point. Oh, I could drive to Raiwa, much more likely. So, I could say that I am driving to the shop or walking to the school, but we're missing one important word in Te Reo Māori, and that is the word tū, which is ki. So, I am walking to the shop, kei te hikoi aho ki te toa. I am walking to the shop, kei te hikoi aho ki te toa. If I am driving to the supermarket, kei te raiwa aho ki te hokomaha. If the woman is running to the school because she's late to pick up the kids, kei te oma te wahine ki te kura. If the man is swimming to the island, kei te kohue te tane ki te motu. If the dog is walking to the tree, kei te hikoi te kuri ki te rako. If the bird is flying to the tree, kei te rere te manu ki te rako. If the children are running to the school, kei te oma ngā tamariki ki te kura. If the child is just going to the toilet, kei te haere te tamaiti ki te wharepaku. So yeah, everybody's going somewhere. It's a true story.